MacDonald's chickens escaped!
Monkey, my chicken farm gate is broken.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
My chickens! They're everywhere! Get them rounded up! The gate is broken! Look at them, they're everywhere! Get back here! Oh, fiddlesticks! Now how are we gonna round them all up? Thank you for helping me, Monkey. You're welcome, Old MacDonald. Monkey, stay and eat with us today. Monkey, stay and eat with us today.
Looks like they approve of the new home. Best coop in the county.
Bye-bye, Old MacDonald. Bye-bye, Monkey. See you again.
Subscribe to this channel, Dell, Cookie Rhymes World. See you again. Bye-bye.